anamwa was ye tu anamwa sebio etoasumu sebio esefata there be ochina bi woye wi a ebi ba behwa adwuma na woye ye no woye ne sen na de woye ye no so fa so de matimemofo ene Ghana fo so na etisen nti answer na recognition beba no eji se watu anamwa esefata na etoasumu anamon so a sebio ye beka se afutu wom na san hye nkuran enya na mo biasa eti to me enra seeing Chachuchi Kata himself na ononso money speech, and this man is one of political figures ne lawyers make I say ye mubi time bia any little bia de beba bonte any little bia obeka bia we want to listen, we want to read, because ya na emu edu ya na disuanso ebum. These are all of these characters abab together. Now woman nyina mass speech na speech no munso do say opinino owo ne mfom so ba ko mienu bi de but the ye kan nyina kire say ampa ne mfom so nyina akiri no wa ye ne ma papa de ama oman no
exactly
wa ye ne ma papa de ama party no enam ono ne so na ne NDC existed enam ono ne so ena ne ye wo NDC a eye party ne e wa bem. So it says a lot. And an opinion who to a foot will be, and that should be very important to the youth now, or more shots. Yes, or when politics, no more so by politics. Politics no the obey. Now ye wienswa opinion hene do be kwa kudru, a hene do be kwa kupi. Sikana woman na o padrino. Ne say ye be hunu say e would ye one year dion media temu na pay. Yeah. And now say open so ye politics are. Even the opposition party no ankasa kura time bia mbepese so omunya asem kura ye de befa wo so so omunya asem kura ye bepese ye be fro ne akirikiri mu no wate asem na se because omunim say wote asem na se a wo se de esitie no beka akoka na sa e basa wo relevance any picture wo di to abontin e wo Ghana politics mo no e wo soro e basa wo politics a wo ye no Ghana mu ha nyina so obia bepe wasem. We can name some few people like Yenimomo mo NDC ewo NPP a ene NDC ni NPP fo nyina ko mo ho omo ko mo na ase omo nya asam omo de omo nsem control mani. Yes,
can you say
yes,
and then obesity and the minimum
the likes of Nanakomia from say Yenimno tete bepe mo ne. And this and Nakomia Kasana, we MPP, we NDC, ni Krana, o person with you know.
I'll make the point without insulting you.
Absolutely.
And over Tiasem no can ask.
Strongly, if he is against the Awuye now, he will make it known without insult, without gigi. But remember what the point in Nasi. No one who said the Okani. Send the party Krana I am from Swahami. Our principle say, our choir be faso. Do on canon Casabin so dear, but call about fast one the party for Mutino Crow who say, wait a me party and ye. We are no a peco and biso noa, Wakatakata near Maswa, Nasumbiaba. These are the likes we need in our politics, and these are the likes are your pese, Kwamubwa, now your politics in a group, now your politics in the meanings, ebum. Because and ne Maburua, Wamuya politics no de ki anode. On fa we say we ye ne papa ni nana. On fa we say we abejano. On fa we say we na meni na sia wo platform bi so no. Kwan we na wo say me fa so ekasa. Na nipa no hunu say sebio menya MPP ni nko awo. Sebio menya NDC ni nko awo. Ne me wa adwene ne nyansa me de yeden me de kasa. Let's do that. Because so ujai politics crown out to be bia. Ube say politicians nankasano, they will refer to you and they will be wanting you back. So babe politics. So may the soul of Jerry John Rollins continue to rest well. Obey you bit to me. And it is good say you're recognizing them. Okay. I'm just hoping. Say John Ajekum Kufo so how does one better say recognition in people? Obodio found out so nya ne die
The leadership started with him.
Yes.
Yes.
And so there
are controversies and all that, but I do want dear. Won't mean if you don't go for it to me take part, you know. Pa.
That's true.
But before Kufo, there was a leader already. Yeah.
And one for one power on console, or the power to a big legacy. Eddie more minor, the NPP and they trade on. So at least, yeah, boy, my Basso Kwame, 93 man or Mufri NPP Munso Banner. They will learn something and read something.
Exactly.
To a more Siena or more kind of not a shape or more political journey. No, kakra, or more dance so a woman. There are a whole lot I was here about my Basso. There are a whole lot I was here more recognition. If you are to me for because you've been two or more, but at least recognition. Here, a sefata. Near the Mabinum. Nothing binum so who say, and part one more baby yebi. The bit is Kwame, Jacob Bilam J.
Yes.
Jacob Bilam J. Also, ye be my party, no.
BJ Roger Munina, first chairman of the MPP.
You get it.
1992.
Nanka Kwame, by this time, Kranonka party from penny for no. Moye ane mo ba mo ye mabura mo ba mo ye mpanifo yo mo sa o motwa o mo na mo motu ko mo fa so nya ye politics a NPP nya recognition e boa ye ma e ba ban mu enya didi atem enya kasatwie do edru da wo mo mani ya de ne but an ye di ni nyina chi no ana mo betu bia ro chenchen wo ba bia hu sampa otu ana mo esefata danka de ye nkyerɛkyerɛ kakra ba de ba ko Ghana ye politics mo yenya de ne se Kwame yempedi for no ye ananka wo so mo twro bibi kakra bi di for one kasa obo ho anampo ye tena ba bi twro bibi di for mo ho nanka ye you know yenye dabi because Johnson has been ketia in the party I have friend NDC
no matter what
Openi
obi the party areni as a secretary and chairman
Openi
Kwame
buga near the atama wo ye memo ani politics but this man anytime I be finding himself so be kasa or be finding so ye politics no nyansa kwan o be fa so aka asem dia kirew
odu atem kro David onko dwini wi say akwa aka fon akire
David sa time no won ti as you enti ono o be kan asem a wo be kofi akwa akodwene ho nti wo ko dwini wi ade wo say waka wasem sebe ya otena ebetu fu say papa yi mi kosia na ma menye careful
yes
ono on cancer mo at that very instance menye mo ya ma no but o be come asem a mekwa akoye dey adwene fu you see these are all the leaders ayanya omo ye political system ni mo it was by this time ye celebrity omo ye more recognition na yensen na ho ye futuo de manji man omo mo ba no de openi enye o buga no
too much
openi enye o
I don't know why they say the generation thinks say all the attempt the Roman abeji di intem so you have to disrespect everyone and sana what me agidi I don't know why but they forgetting said there are people magidin who are still young people but Kwame Omagidin wa party nim because people have tagged them say we will team the president we will team adentia because of the way they handle themselves, the way they speak, the way they talk. Kwame, there are people in the party, both MPP and NDC. You can easily pinpoint say we say or future in the party we or show any composure say when did you move?
Yes,
there is no way Obibenya just a single audio or video after any panel say where do you be at him?
Yes,
but the person is relevant. The person is very important in the party.
Yes,
yes. And the drew baby here brains are.
Yes,
these are people that we rely on or fall on them.
And you want to make a near planning now who paid the attempt.
Now they are quite way did it.
Did be out there because ready at the
Sebi, a drew baby and was some 1 year Kaiu.
Yes,
a drew baby a year green or mine who year position. In fact, out won't count. What you are saying? But if you look at young people, young men are moving from day one up to now. How they comport themselves.
Yes.
And we hold you. Almost some but intimi kese.
Yes.
Look at Samia Wuku.
Yes.
In NDC. In NPP, sorry. Look at Opon Kroma.
Yes.
I just saw me a cento. But the way and manner they comport themselves, miam MPR me penance me. Oh, deep voice kakra.
Another umbrella.
Debbie.
Okay. When this an MPP?
Wine pre. MPP. Wine pre. Oh, what a great self did. Oh, did it bad there? Kwame or a lawyer cry.
Avenuana.
Debbie. They say, oh, or a lawyer. So I found you moving. That's a big mover.
Or that's a member of parliament.
Oh, I. Oh.
Patrick Boama. Yeah.
Look at these guys.
Yes.
And a lot of them.
Yes.
Kwame, Oba.
Yes.
NDC moi. No matter how weaknesses will be mafa, you can pinpoint say when it comes to facts and communicating, no matter who you are, they can meet you. Take it or leave it. Sami Jemfi is there.
And of course, we stated the standard of communication and
yes,
follow.
Look at Phyllis Ofosukwache.
Absolutely.
The weaknesses were, but look at how MPP for him say if you are going to meet this guy, you need to prepare well.
Yes.
They know.
Yes.
They know. What you say?
No.
Look at Eric J. Fine young man.
Yes.
You see, these are people. Any others are more. You see, said they are prospects. Prospect.
Yes.
How in the future is bright for them.
Yeah.
Abbas Nuruddin is not bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yes. Also Oba. Doctor.
Hope it doesn't change. There are people.
Doctor, we are say worry you also your presidential staff and we finish.
You see? Yeah. Sami
Aye.
You see, they are young guys.
Almost
this guy had one-on-one with him from Volta region. Ade Akye. Very brilliant guy. Very truthful.
Agbana dey say they also dey all set the one kasa.
What you say? Look at these guys. And one I catch you say, you can be in a party.
Now relevance in
you can state your point firmly, strongly.
Yes.
Don't make us say but deep within them, they know
too
much.
You
might not have it all right because he said yeah ball MPP for ya basuya ya bobo papa dana komyamu dinya. They have all made this goofy that.
Yes.
He comes back, he apologizes, and sometimes okay, say that then they move on. The fact that you are communicating and just say it told
right all the time.
Sometimes then you be a gentleman or a lady and apologize and you move on. What you say, but the people there, coming from day one, and yet,
apro. Edi ebesre maburu na omoba. Yeah, mo the politics as you money so say they should learn. Learn. Obeni media da biare me kan say wo bana issue no what ya say uni atem.
Da say o na okwafono ana to ni akeka.
I don't know the topic before you. The assembly that why you discussing. If you understand and you know it,
facts you don't
need buga to state your facts.
You don't need it.
You don't need insult to make your point clear to people. You will even feel relaxed.
Oh yes, separation
to communicate. Oh yes, because you know what you are doing. That is it. They should learn. They should learn. That's all. That's all.
Very important.
We also Kwame say the buga and the bumaya. Senga your military room. Some more danger.
Of course.
I'm going to ahodo. Because Edina your president, near the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. It will be a society Ghana Armed Forces. So, but only word to ahodo. Although me too. But you see, into a year about 20 years.
Sometimes we have to. Kwame, we have to. We have to. And I think the part, from what has happened, the Air Rollins, none speeches are on the mind, I think party should have a well-designed structure on the training periodically.
Yes.
On the training communicators.
Yes.
To build heroes in the party. Because sometimes, Kwame, I am in blame some communicators, no. Obi old man facts and figures and a pastor hold man. Or release it, no release it. And you are not getting a researcher or Pemwa. What do you expect him to do? Or do you know also a bell lock here? The obey say, any atom didia, not your account, and throw a crack, not your ship. Wake a crack.
Kwame, I don't think yes, a gentleman. The original draw this one. I don't have facts on
now
that.
Now, you don't have facts on that. I don't know party for
but at least.
We shouldn't get to that point. So they should have a proper bureau. Or disseminate information down to the communicators, the least person, if there's something like that. But kakra bi person mu gidinti da bia no o ma hold information on person be bank for enya information ano ye den
monko so muntumi
ano ye den because kwame you the information mo obia wo kwa best fast to deliver ne de yama ingredients say ye jollof the same ingredients obia benya different flavor different taste.
That's true.
Obi pe nut milk bebre obi pe curry powder bebre and you carry powder no do so who taste nko why you so what prevent them of giving information out not there be any people say as a yenchi information then go for to go money mass on televisions and radio.
Yes.
Oh yes, sir, you are substandardizing you party no. What about party now is substandard? Obia who says a mumunya do apart from individuals be that we can do you can say we can pinpoint and say where your bar or comfort where your bar or yes and we should learn, the young people should learn also your politics go anymore adia wontimi nya da ya adesua sometimes obi or relax here thinking say experience me na me den na no adinti obetima be communicating that style of communication that style of communication no read say me betena se na ye bubuga na ma refer ne nanum and nan da bia de nanum
na we
say what is your solution then I won't say kwanim. That is what the AI people, the AI generation want to listen to. And the bedroom baby no wa upgrade you na ye communicator ubetwam edru baby wa upgrade you na ye communicator misi ubetwam because people will not listen to junk. People will not listen to chaff. Also, my facts. Also, my dear nyansa.
Yes.
That is what people want to hear.
Yeah.
And the building the heroes to be recognized as said by Esiedun Ketia, a cut across all board. Said there should be a proper system. You to know better respect your leaders. And we say, so leader cry a mistake. Over can want them, but it shouldn't be insult. So you think say bia now no Kennedy Japan some more kind a brochure na say in a bad taste for you.
So if you are coming to the bank, you come with the facts. You
come with your facts.
That's all.
So even when you were chairman for Ministry of the you can say committee defense committee. No, this is what happened. And you're wrong refia mayen kai. And now my fair ya wo kan ho asem. And you say you buy ye jato hokwa. You buy say ni so ye.
Oko wanim.
Iti panyin ti ho a 7 previous.
Bonse waka nyansa.
Onim nyansa bonse wagimi.
Ti obepe wati o.
Ti obepe wati o say akwa we die.
Obesan pe wasem.
Maybe okasa it comes out with figure any we dey me kra me refi o. But oba bonte na
obenina na be connected.
O ye panyin bi oni suni mfa so o party who bondo
bada bay.
Who bondo.
O bada bay.
Then you see deputy Tesco young guy be say young pam Kennedy Japan free party.
Look at that. Yeah, pamo anka yikofo mo ne akufo ado mo ne pamo no di free mo.
See to be sa pa yenya manyo sa. And we should tell people, Kwame.
Yeah.
One of the things that you ever share tariffs now akosho. In fact, to me, it's not in a good taste. Though there be an mekase increment ba obi ampe. PPRC for you to swim you. Increment ba obi anyo obi a ne pe. Say to tunyo mema. Nyo obi a ne pe. Baba Munfa PRC ni ma you. And you be an a pese, Ade Ayatum, but a ton of beer. Otinas na hwe the time ya wetin say the adrun dey Kwame temamfo kra understand say baby adrun that is the way for all of us but the todo bia time ni nye enyama emre bia ye omugina so etoto sa anyomam utilities mu already who go through PRC for from ages from time of PRC buy up to net time of PRC buy up to any enyama omugina so eye say one, inflation. 2, apart from inflation, 2, yen FX no, yen CD against other major trading currency. Against other major trading currency. Against other major trading currency no. And then omu share the foreign materials because most of enyomo mo de adwuma no ndema ye krafra amanone enti omu kwa akoto a eya omu hwe the prices of you can say sika na ho de no mde koto enti omu ka but Kwame me hwe inflation though looking at the time omba be review no inflation no asesa kakra good. And looking at time, omu baba beye review no dollar no akosho kakra. But me share the strength of the cedi as at their last review, and the current review my year. I told the be a mambusa mon say. Yentia say ya na say how omu review no cause Kwame cost of operation ya there utilities companies ECG, VRE, Netco, Grico, Volta River a home. But sometimes if you look at some of these things omu the reviewer Kwame ebi on me so minute say to me they can consume it. Ombetimi ameni ayenda bia ne wose ase ose nyamfa so bum and Kwame sometimes if you look at their operational cost me a bit say ECG VRE and Netco ECG Netco especially because Ghana any use pa sometimes me who say the ya mo musa pe aketuan tumuno from enye we from trends of PRC. From the trends of PRC, how munyo mesiti no. E told bi am say akwadwudwuma ECG ni Netco eye e ka ho ne mayetum. Ti na da bi om call for increment. Akwadwudwuma. Hwe Kwame. Onim the number of meters a was system ni mu a any ECG for machine so. And they kromuba mitmachumbi. The number of meters a bubonko for fee a bubonko for areas any system new. And this sikana any panic consuming a kwakwa. A car omo yusu postpaid. Up to now, there are some institutions, there are certain firms that's diomuka. Allegations clear one say especially factories in Ibiwa, omukwaje kakra, no more bushi kakra, no more matua kakra, na kanaka no more jako, no more roll over. Sa ti de bia no muntimenye kanyunye. And even government institutions omo that's so the car. They are not having a proper way to make dankam. Meters, illegalities are ekoso. Bebrena the doing of ECG. So be really dang. Now open meter. Now or apply. Or apply na se meter ma. You force the person say obey adi or di benya kania. Kanena na meter de nso ontua hwe no kra no na ye ho nchire say na you pay something. Etime de ne say meter no ECG kwa kwaje mbona mo de ba ba ye mo dwuma age mfa so it's just like a SIM card entimeter pride o say yafu ko SIM card no ye koto a Kwame ho na mo ba ba take credit akese dia ye mo dwuma. The same thing applies to ECG. And me say some kofa meters ba na mo charge Ghana ni open meter no betua. Do you know why?
Yes.
Na ye yan the right way they will pay. Etina many age say Energy Commission for asha process bia omo emma a certified electrician beye na a certified supervisor be wi a they give you text message no ashe process na say Energy Commission betime di akire yi a ke be a lot of corruption in free system because middlemen and contractors ni bebre enjoy enti amanfo pesika sika na senke to meter no VR na ECG na net ko a omo jiska no komu de kwa koto meter no e dia bebo omu dan but what this any pan be call office no you not even get someone to talk to. You'll be stranded as a the way sometimes customer service ni be poor with some of their branches no okwa the way be treat you no cry and show cry so always you don't want to go direct and so person the fact a middleman so the middleman no so be charge you e 3,000 4,000 2,000 1,500 asan when you meter says can ma ban confess mo a co individual be bottom the paradise can a quembia was of asunya meter ma wo no benya enti contractors are ya designated meters samo mu say sa meters we e bia monfanko ehwa because on yes o monfanko there will be no payment nti omo be divert bi e dia kwa kopiem a o mampontin enti meter ka o say wasa jurisdiction sa area e ehwa no Kwame ni akwa kopiem e wo the other areas all because of say enipa bi nyo madwuma yi.
Yes,
and that is the truth.
Sure.
And the maybe that we have been burdened by people's negligence of duty.
Yes, that's true.
Ana ekuyen enti da bia no enye inflation enye effects no but some of a car edawa emo operation ni ye demo mu nti no.
Yes, it's true.
The end product ni nyina ba they calculate it on the consumer na ye na ye hu amane and ECG boka na onkogigi bills na ontimi nya efficient emma meter na nkofo use illegal meters any omu system mu nkofo use connections omu ntimi kanene kra na ye de ayi behye ye meter ho no mu ko all over Ghana ene ye chichem ura ECG kan ECG baby ba akopɛ ene ya chichem bebre ya WhatsApp stations bebre ye digigiska.
Kwame, the big question is there be almost production cost. They are telling us what they produce no all of the time. Omoboka na.
Kwame omoboka chire say what produce 1,000 megawatts. Be 1,000 megawatts. They also amount 20 billion. Kwame, be use illegal meters. And your mom use illegal meters in your mom your connection, direct connection na yentiminhwe.
Yeah.
20 billion na also be at the end of the day doing up 10 billion.
Yes.
Why about 10 billion?
Yes.
By your own negligence.
Yes. And first question, omoboka na ane. Ede na omoboka. Ema omoboka. Omope hunu. Just like you are explaining. Omope hunu de ema omoboka. Say bia illegal connection. Kwa me sure say ye meter bohai. Say load ebe dudu so. Na say your consumption kosra you empay hunu babia the other yin free ba. Exactly
the problem we have with ECG.
Ya be pa hunu na fe ye tracy na hunu say we nkoyie and so babia nkoyie no we take the people on. What are they no moye
and I make say they know very well they know they have brilliant engineers there.
That is almost that na ye Ghana for no person or bedding all of the time because of their negligence and because of their inefficiency. Brenna no person o de 2 years so say 10 bia no wo mu ni mo madwuma no mu hu mo dwuma ye no ye
all the meters and my contractors and that's all and to contract the Senate divertibia, na 10 year amount. If you are the bomb, Nina Bibia or map, so how watch that? Just
like you are saying,
when you have monitoring team and monitor.
Yes,
some of these things.
Just like you are saying, me say electricity extension to me cost will be not easy for so money. How? How is this? I understand.
I know easy. Hey, and for not being rough.
Then
I have what paye. Kwajujuma no mu ye.
Any I was here sorry ti omo.
I no pay abejafo aba. Hey, mbre no ko. Abejafo aba. Krobia ni nua betrase no pay. Na mamenye na minwram na yeni nkomo anope comfort ana me comfort man se wasi nwoma awie no. Edru bia oba be samfunu mu a fabi egu atadim na abeka se Nkwantabisa me ka kire wo. Ebema watade ni mu aye hwehwehwehwehwehwam ebema watade mu hwehwehwehwehwam mani so ate nti wo de bia wo sha atade a asa atade na show no brand new da bi enna so yisu adepa comfort ane go ntade ni mu anopepe bi na fa gugu nwoma na onyoma enso enyehwam comfort sachet ne bo ofu ukodwa man so betima to sachet ro ni nyina akra akofie na yisu ni kakra mantade ye hwam OCP Ghana for the fertilizer papa OCP fertilizer no makacho so odua bro odua emu odua to so de nya do ntos ene mokodi keka ho na ohia OCP 15 fertilizer no sans na ohia 10 betima the same work as 15 yen mo amodua legumes ndi mo kwaji OCP TSP ano na bebom fertilizer de ne hene ene OCP 0555 909437 0555 909437 and 0555 909433 OCP fertilizer shop papa bia agrochemical shop papa bia benya bi enso so ato ewo ho anope what wo the 21st clinic sciatica expert osisi achi na etwewa besi 19 ya de kese ebo diso ano adenti na 21st na doctors papa professionals nurses yentimi enhwew na honto 21st clinic the sciatica expert ana no pay me kamfo ede amount oti ho ye de kuma se ye wo hwa overseas Sompa FM Sompa TV osoro no mo form abresan ba akum ye ne afa radio ne ben so oboase cancel quarters Court Junction Accra so Batantra here Sunyai Momrat regional hospital first gate yene ne die nimhwem kransan ye bohopoti tachumai kane GN Bank dan dada anim ehwane 0249311311 0249311311 0540311311 ofra manager dan ni team na ye ready 24-hour service no mu de omu ye pa ye be cho ba bia ben na wako nti frɛ anopoita go he ba Mr. Semen kancho se be ma de ma onim ngu ase erectile misfunction impotency uni atinkan oba ne be ma muni atinkan ya de wate infections ahodo hamono tago he ba Mr. 0243 228296 0243228296 drugstore herbal shop pharmacy shop bia busa tago wasem na anopay bibia enye kamama krobia anopay ma chen
me jusu bru oyeleba
na umpon te say
Nkwantabisa nyango ponda roma me gusu pa akunta de Nkwantabisa
oh sir
ni e odi mechitu
oh anyway ni papa
onu kuno mti Italy
so far pa fe na me ya be hu Nkwantabisa onye ni papa
nam dimbacho wa kras mo okay ndi usa me kras e okrobia bia na dwene nya me kase mo sa na okrobia
na wa wo hwe mu so Nkwantabisa bi o sa
me nyu me kras e me nyu specific din bi kura wa sha da bodam bi hu bi
ebi o
ani just wo chi
me ya obusa omo mo pe ma na omo tete ma ye odin ba ko kan ye ba
din ye ko din ba
o de opa ko social evidence research e wo so obi ma e ma na di omo ta kan ye ma o de opa se onua babra obusa no o fa se no wa
no babra no o yima bi edi bone da
da bi e bate na wo ho
o babra o jin sam to hu so ya se wo na mse yima
anya no so pe busa no yo ba
na oni man ko mi busa na dia won dem ye busa no
oh send ya
babra mo nya sem
o hu research ni wa fidi
okay o de Nkwantabisa echi na di yima tu e biana
oka se modi na se miti modi o nyo mu nyina na enye
odwane
enye de ya obenya 1% 1% na enu bi
agwamro obi na ka se no se me fredans ni aba na se ni ma na kwada huru was awadwane
we de mi hwiri wo be gira
Kwamenkwantapisa
e ma fo no mbe ye me so
na ye krefa
enye me na me research
ni boso ye de
research for the ka mi ke bia bu
me da se no pa we pa me chia obi na me chia o production team Barbara de obojuma in fact Barbara is one person me decline ni corda just ma tukwan offer me at what time na me hu peke not na bra me ba
enyon kwa na kan se moye
yeah Barbara is very good then like onya botere so no be kasa like oh yeah there and does mu change one topic no say send them so this is fine some journalism na me no
yeah
production na me yeah pa
ti we master
this animal with
me ata hunu
minim pa because some yeah and I chembe news editor na chembe presenter ma na mu
wa running through the files and rank
oh my yeah fine my yeah fine you know on a power me were few people be am person me chom na kwesi de ma chena am say atosi abato aba somewhere November December the original chairman na omo NDC for ashe ye boss they will retain him for the first time and the third time until ye bom pa ye se nyame be ya dom na kwesi betimi afa no ntoma pefra na bibia tumi aye kama that is very very critical until chairman Roma, one regional executives. In fact, I am not wishing Obia or election be a bad. And you know, hear me, me metina ha enka Obia some that. I had the ya nipa contest ni na no. Obia ye NDC ni. Obia ye NDC ni. And Obia so a deserve. Then so I had the ya contest there. If we are seeing me who be that it has never happened. Say nipa be say 5,000 koto about omunyina ever the 4,999 ewo baby fa na 1 penny gina baby fa ko menye show we dey ya democracy ne practice and asema wo kan convince me no obi aka kire obi am na convince no enti ne bia me ka kire ye ni a ye kokko omomo ko contest ne ye ni edi o machin say ye ma ye kasa honte me it will never happen in my life say Isham Alasa on original chairman contested. Me jina baby no makaseti ano. It can never happen. And on bominition but no provoking me say it be a provocation be I don't believe in that too. There be a mechanism which doesn't buy say me I am one person. I have never endorsed culture of impunity no matter where it is coming from. If it is Kevin Taylor and I don't like it, I will speak it as it is. If it is myself, no matter I will speak against as it is. If it is Abronya, whoever, I will speak against it as it is. Sana maybe me tie say ma position because they be catch am for say na here ko you do my tie na position here ko pam go and at the end of the day no the bigger enjoyment in your ne ma anya me bo why would teach them na if you for credit me I don't know the be about bonting exactly and why would teach them kaka be na wase a obasisa mbacho atase a chunk of the enjoyment pa no ko na yire ne ma ho say the pan won't teach na japade a waye no ebusafo benya kwata koreba half and quarter be ko na yire ne ma ho why would teach them na benya so I didn't know so kuku wo didi obi atam na obi kasa ni obi so mabo no yenya decent politics we no yeah the only flag bearer the your president president and me chair you John Dramani mama mpanyifo na Quarters Control Commission omo ye adwuma ba msase ye bakra ye moso okazi nanse omo ba mensia nananom ahemfo omo sa akọ National House of Chiefs as also ko shia nananom do ma de se de to omo nim se omo ni mabunu nkasa na the way ya fa no bone na always on the high and a minute bia well enti opanyo na no ye yewra Colonel Maxwell Mante me chiane pa ana no Brigadier General Maxwell Mante on ye panyina odana Quarters Control Commissioner no me chiano good na me chia mi ankasa santima de hia ba ko no so ye deputy in charge of administration.
Time now so.
Time no forward your cry anti. O dey go forward the into media na mbekempua. And me tell you Steven Yeboah, no Steven Yeboah. No, your former DC.
Yeah, Steven Yeboah.
Yeah, on the deputy. Deputy here too. Chum, lawyer Chum. Alex Chum, yeah. And your friend is Steven. Alex your operations and Steven
administration.
Yeah, Steven a deputy in charge of administration. Yeah. And a very solid man. But behind the boss, could be say what you think can what it be a 2 weeks more
grounds in the
and me penny leadership no was our brand was say. And the year Steven Yeboah Nyankopon almost no your kese. Many MPP ni and the Steven Yeboah nya baby. Sana ye minia politics ye nyina
ma me ko prempe ho Tony Maache minia me joso o Mike ni siso minia me joso ne mpomboko twedi ampon dia no pe ate yi de ya mi adom ko ye no ba dia se ene nyoma e ko sen minia se twedi ampon dia ate yi de honan mu de ye aka akadi kraida ye de bekoya no na amaye ba bi
se twedi ampon ye tia CD ni da so ho na ye besre party mpanimfo se eye omuntwe omani mewe kakra na communication adwuma no se den kakra
opposition kra do bebre mo
enye easy kra ba enim se
bien kai
nyametia bibi abe fine ti anopay mamemfa happy birthday kese pa ma ye incoming Asante regional chairman ye chairman Odene Kokwapia chairman Kuka
anobedum flyer no
fact happy birthday na yenim say ye next election you say ye start constituency o ma start ifa forms ye next election ye region no oba be the Asante regional chairman of the new patriotic party na menim say obeya party ne be fa na ntuma pe fra o Asante region na mentia honorable Bashiru Gambo in fact oya assembly member e o Moro Market Utafu Municipal Assembly Moro Market. Na mentia me boss Dr. Louis Akero say wa don call. In fact, na me nua call be bo producer ba so in fact Barbara menene enya nkita odi enche but in fact we are one of the very fantastic girls. I just or brand one say na me say o keep on with that or be kon nim pa or be movie on. Me nua ma mentia Utafu constituency executives. Otafu constituency executives of the new patriotic party. In fact, omu ye adwuma led by Chama Kojo Chijima Stevens and okofa forms secretary ba for say to okofa forms your first vice mame kwadu omu nyina okofa forms na me say party ni sabe bom aba so if say adwuma ma ye no constituency one in fact ebro so na enkofo mienu pa bi na ewom e wo say ye ma omu free no omkokọ tranche omu de omba e no ma me bo number na me say delegates ni nso ni omu nyina apart from omu de from your chairman, your first vice, your second vice, your secretary, your organizer, your youth organizer, minim se party ni sabe show many munyam. Na ye amount for ye do omba ko jina kono 2028 no matimaji to me ediama the new patriotic party 2028 na 2029 yaso yi ni abapawa na minti abapawa Ghana sabe fa ne ntuma pa fra na Ghana sabe yi efisa no pay ediana mutu nyina no ye mininsi ebeba so ECG nsam mininsi ebeba so etibinia ma enche atie for so
thank you very much ma memra na yen shase na yemra yen topic for the day no so crop ya ma mem beginning with you na anopen yemra enkomonim on rent control se hostel nanum bi e kan ho asem hostel tutumu a wo ha ne we atum kwa ase ni regulatory body bia e hwe mu so say this time we be so mbe ne gidigidi bia the whole Ghana hostel facility bia wo campus bia mu hye mu nyina no mu atena se na omohu the way forward. I think it has been decades ayenya rent control commissioner abanwe by no appoint a commissioner no kra no or acting. The way forward for us yen rent and especially hostels e work campus and now can be shame na akose students complain and phone bia ho the new commissioner waba and the way forward for us.
Minia, I blame everybody I blame everybody. Our was rent control and come dino and anopay. Obia is at fault. Obia, who is enforcing what? That is a bigger question for me. Who is enforcing what? Emrana about rent control a jumano. Why and also enforcing marano? Some komoya yedi and yan and go aba auto. Ba. Emrana say, I was say, Okohada ye feel rano. What you are broso cra should be 3 months. And now what bo a pauper should be 6 months. Yeah. That is what the law says. Now, Obiai a guilt on his own part. If you refuse 6 months per year or the year, or down Haninu what the say, so what this says, my bobo 25,000 they can 2 years. What say if you run in 6 months, and the other me be 1,002 a month, 6 months no ebia wo check here, your best emphasis ebia, best ebia, for 9,000. And I 7,002. 7,002. What's your face, Cano? Me from Koya Jumana Busmi be if you run in 1,002. Me, Ebia me a jobless. Live in the Bo Muna me ko bo Galabia na me koye. Live biane menya dem 2 years. If you run on the who say when you 6 months office and there was you know, or you 6 months a machine sika into a bedroom book. And I had call 6 months, but one no argument and say, Mimi discard towards somebody for Yajuma. Now, Sipa, Busman, if you rub him in your Magwabonting.
Was a mere kind Gilby or say, now, ye can't maybe Papa buy any dinko or say, now, you're high 3 months manner. Not 3 months be drop him and Naja or Rola Boca. I blew with my 2 years. We are all at fault.
And then I mentioned, I will say, if you run is at a guilt at one point. Dan Hanino could tell the Sikano so a guilt. Now, Ama also watching the watching Dan Hanino, because Dan Hanino Abrichi Rano say, oh, could 2 years. Wabra when say, also 6 months, maybe and 3 months. If you run also Brichim Rano, so also no so Ade about 6 months, no, or Heka Waboni be a loan beyond Sokojibo Bank. Na all other than him high, no, they are settled ni loans ni loans ni wakwaji bank. And Obia at guilt, Obia is at fault. And you very critical and say, if you were for Bamau rent agreement, Ebia 4 years, 3 years. Now, okay, Emran was I and say, subject to renewal ever bar nasa increment ever bar subject to the economic economic friend say issues and nasa projections are ever enti yaman say wa on hadan yaman say on hadan utua 40,000 for 5 years na if you run the ashemu say economy no ahoden ekosora anase ba fomwa matum and the one say be or dey e dan name on say na dollar ni even say 120 pesos per $1 or the same say dollar no ko force dia ayi 140 pesos or no so matum and you are here 4 years no what na when you say water ni fee 4 years no was actual 1 year 2 years 6 months no why increase am sikanasa but there was a strategy on fun say or the animal we are acha watembe 6 months no akachi wababa ka say fie no metum was won to me and ya o say okay pedan mama 3 months fa pedan na memfa o balance ma and no cross wonya dan ni we are ono ni sika o twa ka che ko pebisa ko twa no de wonya no na obi baji we na wo tum na no what the balance amount
na say me metifie me no akọ contract I want me kan chem say utum timintu
na e wi ase da ni bi oni tumi e wi ase e da ni bi tenant bi ni ho tumi tan e fiewura e be resi gidi ba e kokko to ko rent control at worst ya baka just say wo da hani no tu na over usika balance wo mo Who that heni no even say what do call rent control class the few runs or two minti me mintu enti or tata me gidi ba okay the if you kramenya fa ma obiem if you kramenya fa ma obiem enti ye dai two rent control for kra because two na pe dai na baby e de wo haw kese eba a menua wa boss no pay and a year hostel and the university konya den se hostel laboratory oko hostel be because a 2 in a room there's a 2 in 1 no enipa bi enu o ma ha dan ba ko a o edem enya sa and a 2 in 1 baby a 3 in 1 baby a 4 in 1 2 in 1 no otimi je ba ko 12,000 a year and when 1 year school be and you call 1 solid year. So I'm a quite we do ya be quite long vacuum, short vacuum, ninano, unti school who coffee, acquire book or internship for baby. And the agenda 12,000, 120 million 1 year. No question me say, and your back force me to denim. And the pum you know and at denim. And the pum you know much at denim now, or mutimno, or mutia 24,000. And connected tonight because 240 million 1 room. Everyone's a toilet and bath small porch with my a heat to me and a kit to be shown and the edge of says cano a day and a yenia ye dear woo a boy of one bro a day and all say a free bomb so a ja tech campus echo ayedua say echo kote eko the duako area no single room otimu a otikeka I just say what new site and I say dan na otimu nya papa enti school for no ba o mompe eno kra fi ura ne jimusika no de kwato mange boabo ano a motam so ya pe osmuntu na renovate because what the many pa mienu otimu no bosu ni nyina akra no e bia wotia 1000 enti 1 year ni nyina no wotia bia 4 chamber hall self-contained ni nyina no wotia 1000 1 year no 12,000 bo a sa chamber hall no obe 2 in 1 3 in 1 obenya 48,000 wotia 12,000 a year no sa year no ano ana do wanya crowd wanya 8,000 obenya your friend say 60 obenya 32 into what the more single or the more 1,000 no into wo bobi kura na o se ko no tu no ko the your favor adentia na yeti o mayi mu na me bom pa ye say commissioner no me pe no ko na chi kwan because Mr. Commissioner how a school for film especially Legon KUST your friend say Kevas UCC ne other main ones no private university graduate aya na sometimes some hostel facilities no because mo kro mo se de ni pa bebre a nwanwa enti anu hostel facilities no kra ye kakra na school sakese sama bobo suyi enti ene sikane bi o krom ha bia ko campus ko tech ko Legon ko Kevas ko even tanosoha ko honyina akohwe sikane bia e hostel o because academic year no ende na academic year for ba aya na sika all dia no aba eno kwetimi se abronsan because we on the building no first students 2 first students be 800 na ojiba ku bia fan so ojiba ku bia even 10,000 kra times 800 hiska waje no just 1 year betonim me de man husi no me nkoma me de said conversation we buy and come on me did yen say your students no so almost occupy facilities no also almost ye careful and penny for say we secondary school and we university till what misa uncle to be no you super people or we so on from mu ade that's been nesi wonim na wakwakwahye no they show water closet no flash na ko choku according to me nipa bia o manage bi say nana wom se scan ye gendoso but afeso na ye discover be renovation e between the 300 dey say you know ayi pipes oma papa no kitchen and say
dey to so ne board into no nkura no so bo ma boro
and it's always because no but fine we you ni
no the
two
na thank you
and ya kan students so and to obnuma ye say so me mpanyimfo am nya nkura nketwa
yeah obi o university dey so nya
ona kura seti rasa no akoto paper no obatimi say boyi na mo ase I can part na obeto atire no no dey say water close
no flash
aba
na koka me da se krobia proper
minia
hostel
Mini Nkwantabisa say Ghana no ade asese ama yara ho kakra ne say ebe akra no Nkwantabisa gidi amafo wo ma politicians no ni nyina besa cause the ntia make kasa ne say akwese Ghana ye to abade to me ma executive a omuntimi nyusu to me ni ye rent control asem ya ye kan ye rent control nko an onim say enei Ministry of Transport and as a GPRTU etimi ka say fair boy nyina de gina na drivers union do omo to me ato fair mu okromu a as ye ni leaders okromu a na say abeka as rent control for yi omo cocaine races some of the hostels e ko stop omo eye by law okomo act na ehum mutimi prosecute omo nyina omo hostels ni ye omo dia eso omo ti ho no ma relaxi and of course we various agencies ni nyina asi ni to me abaya ya to abadia ma wo mo e wo so mo hwe to nyoma yie minia enuma bi wo sikra na areho hostel asem ya ye kan me my student pen minia na minia krob ye kan eyi obi timi tua 20,000 a year 1 year 20,000 say hostel award out into obeko school no 4 years first year the obeda school hall it's 3 years no utua 20,000 e 60,000 na school no kra kwa utua fees say so many it is that time say rent control as an authority meaning so omo authority o say omo form na si form emna na bomb ho ban they have the right to arrest the right to prosecute the right to do everything rent control man say so what if you bim kra na nke yetu a gidi kan ma would notice eso ene kwara man for etimi yi omu nuama gu abonten ye mo time na rent control te ho bibi amfa na ho hostels per the law ye say what say that hostel manager no any rent control na trance no rent control am price say per room we there faji nipa ne say ana say muti kromu wa ye various universities charge omo charge over charge am omo da so ti kromu a moduma ne sen e na muti wona busumi bia government the taxpayers money mini usika e say tu omo ka binia me say ebe akra politicians ye kasa ara Ghana phone ye ni biem cause on beka say to me no omo koto abadia ma ye ne kra no ye timi nyusu to me no ye timi fa to me ne nya de pa it rent control omo so omo share hostels for by 1st July 2026 no omo ka straight measures when o man koye ne yesremo ene ye say no enye srasem mo de mra na ye adwuma you are backed by an act of parliament ena mo de te wo ite wo say no na mo hweso na mo de ye adwuma the right sanctions mo fa mo precautions I was mo de mo fa mo measures I was mo de gu akwa mo fa ngo akwa mo na students ne ho ha mo kakra if is new course wo Ghana no ununderstandable as any president or man you are serious Nkwantabisa na me ka kire wo cause esi obo opanyi din we acting rent commissioner me boa president John Dramani Mahama na appoint no wo gide woni muntra it is the president to share na so want me nya adwuma na either so be yi na free ho no did the right person obetima yes adwuma no aba
but mine by so yeah dio for decades they have not been obia or control commissioner afeni anya obi and he has taken a step. I think in history, when was the last time creative rent control for the is always in the negative side.
Minia, na say anim so matiada. almost started say na a very good course. Let's assume without meeting say na a very good course na no more yes. But theater and now almost say kwa share hostel for no. When oma mananso wa. Cause rent bu amanfo kromo a. Hey, e school there. Minia. Oko be single room or see a self-contained or they get 20,000 for 2 years, 15,000 for 1.5 year. You be shocked. Say a diary they get better 30,000. Last week, lady be so up and down. Could be sebi. A chamber and hall, just one room and a hall. Toilet and bath. Say, Minia, what's the last crowd? Was in 26,000. So rent contract why then? Mobe value a dino. Mobe said the dynasty. Mobe said the best mob one panel. Mobe value my price. Rent control there was a fewer price. Same person a fewer can come to be a parent control mlano. And what's all about rent control money? Now rent control about many parcours dates. Date in as soon as in the parcours tour. Rent control is the only authority or having right to say. Obetima ba betu nipa kwa free dining. If you be a pen obetima all right obetu be a free dining. Eso ene te wo ma bi mutimi yibi mu no go abonten. And I said na me nua kro be e ka no. Ghana na akwa say me nua o han obi dan a no matter what you do for. I say funu. E funu di for anytime. Cause if you run no wo ne ne twe kosi dan a long like ye be ka no so fa sika ma na tu. Di on be ka no. So me nua but enkentesa there was a rent control in the gym because only the intermediary only the between the tenant and the landlord. But rent control if you on a landlord no any tenant for no deal directly. Oh, and almost so more near ya obi timi bob was cement so cause on na say any dia onya ko ade beto beba na obi aba abeje it ye de can say si akoto abadi tumi ama President John Dramani Mahama Ghana fo nya ne mugidie a wono so nya the acting commissioner mugidie edi tumi na mane de ye recho obebo no so no ye adwuma papa no ye adwuma be safata cause me ne krobe ate yi me ena me kan me nua bi call university e bia krobe and baby ana na wo fase bi nso ko it is a me no sinyanka ama the acting commissioner anya adwuma pa. Hey, price ne ba menini mienu nyina ne ba afete en onko yi ne card nto wo say NDC ni mi entwa ne die mu anase ente so da bi obetua ne no an metua e dia wo se bom ho so acting commissioner no ye eno metie ne press conference o ye ya o say by 1st July 2026 o mu invite all tenants eno o mu nyina hia metie ni nyina ye besre se hwe no amana nso ho oko rent control ye wo monitoring team ye wo inspector team. Won hwe omo so no mo nya adwuma papa efise ono sa acting rent control commissioner no ebedu ba bi obekọ ba sa monitoring team inspector team no omo de omo ye technocrats omo ho won na wo so show mo no omo ye omo adwuma abaya to car mo ma car ni siwo government the taxpayers money asa fuel car no omo fanya adwuma omo ko the various hostels omo ko university of education Winneba Tana so campus enko he charge students Omokotech the various schools Ghana any Ashanti region specifically. So amenia ni nyina ye ho ha ye na at the end of the day no ye moa na ye students no cause unim bed we nyina koto parents ni so student bi no obeyi ni bottom ska de atua hostel fee e parents no so now co school na menia one semester one academic year e bia wu kutua be 5,000 for fees or 4,000 for fees. Not that 1 year, no could 15,000 or 20,000 for hostel fee. Aminia, now quite an abai. Additional or quadjana, no left for sending baby aquacoda. It's here near my also. Now, him say, rent control commissioner, present when the Mujidi no denaba. It mean say, Obebon also. Now I'm at the various department of all rent control in Yano. Aye, Juma, say resources no nya, onka, oka, meaning say, Ghana buying, ebe pay resources in the amano. No much my age, mamma, in I want high, minia.
All right, but I say, I don't pay ensign Emra. A comma. I don't pay yes, the ego tariffs in so. Remember, so there have been increase in a year in tariffs in so. nso agene deɛ so normally nso deɛ ne bɛba at the end of the month. So July kickstart ne bɛba at the end, and then because prepaid nti power ne deɛ yɛkɔ akɔtɔ kransa and the 1st July no yɛnsa ki ho nto sɛ PRC phone sisan ana arrangement a wɔde aba this se no yatoto kanea ene enso ebuom enti kanea ne ko by 3.49% and enso ne ko 0.85%. PRC ene kanea tuntum ni enso tuntum
minia say Ghana for mokoto abadema President John Dramani Mahama on 7th December 2024 no. In fact omoro aho ena omo so omo ankoto aba no omo nu omo ho wofi ewiase yesi fidie chi abo ani sunko jana ni sunko yeti kromo a President John Dramani Mahama minia ofa phone na call yi a manjoy online we 7th April 2020 President John Dramani Mahama ne das we say Mahama call for reduction in electricity tariffs. Abrani Etikromo say the flag bearer of the opposition National Democratic Congress, John Dramani Mahama, has called for a reduction in the cost of electricity in addition to government release of water bills for the month of April, May, and June. Or say in the 9th letter in a series of letters during this lockdown, the former president stated that even though the currents of water tariffs were welcome news, electricity tariffs were more burdensome, and thus a reduction there will also be welcome. Okachire yo kromu ase hey nana do danko akufo no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia aban omu kuye with electricity tariffs yes re omu nteso na yekomu buni ademinia oba power oso eyi na 2025 7 January oso eyi na okache Ghana for say me mamu just 2 months just 4 months mon fanjojo mo ho na mo beti asemde ye de okromo anya nim say asemde de ye beti ana che say either salary increment or there is a reduction in tariffs obaya on the 3rd of May 2025 minia ye nyina na etikromo a ena electricity or to mu 14.75%. Ade ono ti opposition so oba obete so na ye trimu eden yes taxes e de go electricity so ne ade no oba ya 3rd May 2025 and to 14.7%. Ghana for yes minia within 2 months per June July 1st July 2025 and also be to 2.45%. E okromu wa na Ghana for and one John Dramani Mahama kan o say we have short memory we nyina Ghana for na omo kai na menim say o ma try to baby 7 January 2028 on be kai me na wo de no to nchen the same year now 2025 no on 1st of October 2025 and was up to 1.41% aden President John Dramani Mahama aden iti Ghana for hu ye mobo what your position in 2022 2023 2024 what say President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the taxes and also we're increasing electricity tariff for Kromwa also my assumption to yen within 2025 on Kwaminia you to move 3 times after the 2025 you di Christmas we will be any age you also be my new year yet Kromwa inia 1st January 2026 this year you will be 1st January 2026 or to move 9.86%. Meaning the figures are there. You can go online and check it. At T4TMA Omore 9.86% at 10. And then when you are me like Babusumi Mitiacha, you'll be shocked. But President John Dramani Mahama be dear na wapami as you say maybe Tifia mini BBI, mini maybe I. Minia, what the not on China? He, that mean, this for the Bia me come see minia. O ma yesa sasabonsa mo di ni fema wa no mo di benkumoje yeti kromo wa o mo 2 1 2 3 4 5 eno mbe ka kire se oh we die to na ya to mu no we die the relief bi ba na relief ne se ye ba beteso binia it ube ka ya on 1st April 2026 this year and on Becca say, Omo Baba electricity so Krumo, TNU. Good. 1st April 2026, no Baba Teswa, on Beteso 4.81%. 4.81% too. Meanwhile, 1st January 2026, Omo 9.86%.
But to be fair to them, they've also indicated the parameters.
Oh, it won't be opposition. No one those parameters.
We are all here, and I am who say, of course, inflation has a FX here cost CD against our major trading currency cost. So if this is what they are basing on to do their increment, though we are not happy that much, but to be fair to them, will you also write them off?
Many are onim. Yes, you know, no masemso. Any bebu for. As some are with your opposition, okay, no opposition, no news as any of my indicators. What is not to change? No one has said dollar swati. Time you almost almost say electricity, almost turning in CDs in Ghana, but almost sending to dollars in a cocotone, amana meboa. And no one has said dollar swati. Milia, almost buy your qua, okay, can't. A increment on the Ababuma, a 31.69%, and on the Ababe come 1.5 year Mawabidi as a as a government of the Republic. 31.69%. But what tell opposition, what's all about better so? Many are my from City Online. Not from Anusi. City Online say 24-hour economy. Mahama promised cheaper, reliable electricity tariffs, taxes relief. Or say the flag bearer of the National Democratic Congress has promised to release the cost of electricity tariff and grant tax relief for businesses that operate 24-hour economy system. Make paragraph 2 in Namdeski. Or say President John Dramani Mahama believes businesses signing up for the 24-hour economy will help accomplish his vision of revitalizing the aligning economy, maximizing productivity and efficiency, and ultimately creating a dynamic and vibrant economy to benefit both workers and businesses. Sasemi okaye you know, and adani se wotum. 24-hour economy now no cash or be created. Institution ba ko be le okromo a started that 24-hour economy. One man tax relief. One man a cheaper fuel. Ghanaians na wo ba ye na wo say wo ba eje ho beto yen oba enuma be koyi amaye no oba e what to no kwa 6 times and what is one time minia it won Ghana for wo kire omo atro na enemu de beji tumi no enem ho daddy me da say Ghana for who say mo no ma okro wa dem say Ghana for num so twa opɛ 2028 ye ba beji tumi
ma membra krobia enema mo promise enya no na Ghana for utility cost.
Obi enu wa jina ba bia ka say utility en cost da na okasem bi no na onum say ono wa mase obekasa magana obaso bekasa ma MPP enti ya ka rent control wa de John Muhammad na hu na buza na John Muhammad osim say ave do say ono ye omampanyini na menua odoroma munya betre ho na mufra ban yi mu yi enche enti enyanti atemu no ene se o de se wo mi na so mi fi no enyanti atemu na de tumi bebre o ai enyanti atemu na de tumi bebre o se ya bi na mu ye na mu wa ban mu no ye tumu fu se ya manti entetemu se ya eno na mu ye aban no wo ye de kura aban bi wo wiase se de electricity enye wa na wo ye wa de enema bi wa uni controls no wo ye de ya entumu beba the rate at which entumu ne ba no ena wo fi se wo asem bi kan na waka enye aban bi atirim pon se obetum. If the dollar is stable now, if the economy is in good shape now, let's increment ba during your time na economy is so junk ebola. Why is it that the NPP is not addressing the junk economy they bequeathed to the NDC? And the NPP for suddenly or maybe the angels of this country. This is very worrisome. Kwame Nkwantabisa say after the preoccupy and the NPP before and I'm to put batromu and I'm to fuel mu and at the end but junk economy ne nyame dom 1 year 6 months yet me rise atra B minus ye do B no ye economy no and ye the investor confidence and ye were to force last month to America investors in Busan say way a cosmetic na be sustain na or say ane and your cosmetic and figures you are not talking about it. Obian and this Libyan worker say, and they Ghana I have heaven Obiatie Obian Kasa and Tumuaba, there were challenges. Do so, now the boy and at least there has been some stability. I'm going to tell you, son, yet no, and now I'm in the studio here. We free we do over $300 million equal to amana national cathedral to we and they would so at ya and the Okasa Amagana for ya and was Asamudiam war Mount to Kanyamuda Asamudiam war Nagana ye heaven now so ning chileno okutrasi elusu poto bisi o maya bakuse muda na for the worst government ever. Dr. Bawumia, the worst vice president ever. And I will say, Dr. Bawumia, Abba on my way, Abba heaven. Dr. Bawumia was vice president. Dr. Bawumia, he was a vice president for 8 years. And he bequeathed to us a baller economy. And Nkwantabisa, me say Dr. Bawumia, almost no economic waste kid. Or my economy, na ye baller so economy. Na ye yentimi ko your friend say market yentimi ko marketing ko pe hwe aye benya de abafie even as for mine enne ma ye amenne o tietie mu say omampanyin ye wura John Dramani Mahama adwuma oboyi there be a post be a bar. Ghana for still have confidence in the leadership and the work of Yewura John Dramani Mahama ni NDC abai. And it is a who say we MPP near meaning say NDC eba your friend say NDC eba abai and MPP for nyina adane asrabofo and omo kuma Ghana baminia enye yie mo party no ensem bebre wom mo me hwenka fuel yatum electricity yatum obi anka say yentum de na utia okay me NDC me tua bisa obi ani ho a ontua light bill kruma na me ba no na mo nkomo bia mudi amede commercial losses what ECG nkoa if they are able to realize the commercial losses say na 20% of commercial losses no mutim po reduce by 5 and 7 me can be as ECG ebenye ska enough say light bill kromu to that and na wo kan ECG produce enye ECG VRA netco for VRA for produce and kaniano Greco for produce kaniano and the ECG almost ECG so koto market ECG so na koto efiri wo na say ye bremo eja enkania and I say ye bremo ahode energy no ye bremo ebia 20 billion 2 million Ghana cedi such a Ghana nyina na wo jijiska no na wotimi jeje 12 13 na 7 billion eye ka and no so eye recurring e just every month be asaka neighbor and you can nyina bom 12 months now we even increment PURC and you have to 3% in the way you so you realize that the commercial losses alone is so huge but me cater for increment no matter what I say me a brother to say hospital be Ghana I was buying a money prepaid I didn't hear because of private hospital on charges can be but private hospital facility be private facility be Ghana say a hotel say a hospital say a school say a biano prepaid a light and I say I buy school because I buy to me and my ECG car Cassia and I buy school a primary school sir and what Ghana when do secondary school hwe ndodo training college hwe ndodo meanwhile obako say school so bia ye dey awofo tua contribute bibi kakra enti the American say I was say aban
me dasi
ema ye nyina ye tie ho asese babia anuma na ekono mentimi nkukuru sika every government office and from yes anuma no. Number 2 aban ni ECG international muso say and mameka se me aso man no ko efie makoma be 5 on efie makoma be 5 o me si ko efie makoma be 5 air condition 5 bo fie ho emu 1 na e connect emu mutua dia kari nyina no e connection commercial losses bia
but as be gas oboa
yes anti radio station phone na be se musu kra me bi
oh yeah yes da yeah wonim so mu check ye chen obia radio stations
some make o masem tia
mu check u je obia
because wonim adena no
yeah say liga den e so be yesu
na wo be ko be fie wo we uti so onya adwuma onam fom or air condition bon hall obu ebon bed
ba ku bia minim but I say this is that we call there's easy for do munim asam be na ke yes we munim they know asa dear koya de ne ko tin ko mo mudi ho yeah birthdays me time come so maybe fast pause for 2 minutes now their birthdays you know. Happy birthday Benis Ansa what's that Krachi me net speed am dey here. Happy birthday Benis Ansa aka Dubai of Kenya from Regina at Santiago na Akrofonso. So Benis, today is your birthday. Happy glorious birthday B. We ask for God's mercies and favor. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Jeffrey Asamoah Safo. Oko School or Dominican School. Offenso Namang Jeffrey Asamoah Safo. Oko School or Dominican School. In fact, your papa say or so benyini do abaye penyimpa. O ma me so you're proud of you. Ja o na wo bad ni ho fese Jeffrey anka be si ni form. Jeffrey, ma tumi no de wate. Na koso asua de na ye de o ma me no papa ye epe na nyame do be dru achi pa. Happy glorious birthday, beautiful Jeffrey Asamoah. And happy birthday to Fusena Moro. Today is your birthday. You are a student at University of Skills Training and Entrepreneur Development, Kumasi. May God bless you and give you wisdom to pass through all challenges in Allah's name. From your lovely husband to B. Ramsey, MPP Task Force Commander in the Afuano Southwest Constituency. Ramsey Kwayen now major fans said to be Ramsey. Okay, happy birthday to Mrs. Dora Opong, Bro of Region A Regional Women's Director. Auntie Dora, happy glorious birthday. We ask for God's blessings and favor. Wajuma Dane ne Doni Akuma Penti Nyame for Dumu Kwadumu. Happy birthday to Mary Ochiba at Ajumako Asan San in the Ajumako Enyang Esiam District, Central Region, from your children, led by Kwame Nkwantabisa, National Health Insurance Scheme, Life, good health, and God richly bless you. Almost say nyamiso nyini na apomodeni nya kese Auntie Mary omane dododo na omuse nyamisha enene emao Kwame Nkwantabisa say oya shonko ene nyina te se wankoma mre. Happy birthday. And happy birthday to Akia Sewa from Unisys. Akia Unisys, oh my happy birthday. Beautiful, gorgeous lady. I'm afraid Jaro Yamin Shaw no ma kwatinting. Unisys say, Nyame Edo, Tifasho team, now we are special so, and I would day happy birthday. I hope for him. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Patience Ofori at Cordier Adriamoa Savior Missions from Obeng Samson Evans, incoming communications officer of Kwabri East. And your birthday, Patience. Obeng so my happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Mr. Georgia Frifa NPP Ayedriasi Kote electoral chairman and electoral area coordinator chairman from Wofakle, incoming of Orikrom constituency youth organizer and all polling station executive in Ayedriasi Kote electoral area. Chairman, omso ya shonkon, a mema tawechi, a man so tawechi, omso ya ja oye bibia, Mr. Afrifa, and a happy birthday, saying Amisha amount. Happy birthday to Mrs. Rosemary Amankwa from Roda Jemfi. Mrs. Rosemary Amankwa Wefri Prempe Tony. Or say, and there, what would they? Anya Prempe and the buy. Roda and the buy. Oh, to Mrs. Rosemary Amankwa, today is your birthday, Auntie Rose. Happy birthday from Roda Jemfi. Enjoy your day to the max. Happy birthday. On that note, more in Chem na yapon. Sports for air twaso. Mbapa I ready. Chairman Odino Kwaku Apia, Ashanti Regional Chairman Ofo. Chairman Koka, happy birthday, sir. We love you so much on behalf of Sompa FM, Sompa TV. I say happy birthday, Tony Prempe. And so say happy birthday, Chairman One. Enjoy your day. Yama sports for Nemra, Nenembe, Hitimu Jonesana, Assemble to me. Emba power at Nasi, the power himself. The power raised to the power 10. Emba, the man with magical voice, and no pay wire crowd or somo, and Tifatu wire.